see, my needle started rising. It rose 5 pounds. Cutting occurred at 100 psi, meaning it's in range, and it's working properly. Now I'm going to do the cutout test for the second time. We'll watch for the needle stop rising. See, my cutout occurred at 125 psi, and it's in range and it's working properly. For the next test, I'm going to do the pipe pressure test. For this test, my truck has to be in low gear. Turn off the truck, release the parking and trailer brake. For this test, I'm going to have to hold the service brake down for 1 minute and 20 seconds. The first 20 seconds is to stabilize the air pressure gauge, and the next minute is to check for any air loss. I am allowed to lose 3 psi on a single vehicle and 4 psi on a combination vehicle, which I am driving today. The 1 minute and 20 seconds starts now. Seconds are up, and my needle reads 100 psi, and I'm going to start the minute to check for any air leaks. The minute is up, only lost 1 pound of pressure, and it's in range and working properly. Next test I'm going to do is the low air warning system. Low air warning system should occur between 75 and 55 psi. For this, I'm going to need the ignition on. I'm going to pump the service brake until low air warning system comes on, the buzzer or the light comes on. See, my low air warning system came on at 70 psi, meaning it's in range and working properly. Next test I'm going to do is the pop out test. The pop out test should occur between 45 no lower than 20 psi. For this, I'm going to look for the pump to service brake until the parking brake and trailer brake come on.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Pop out.
Pop out. Your fender brake. That's your fender brake.
As you can see, the pop out occurred at 41 psi, and it's in range and it's working properly. Next test I'm going to do is I'm going to have to build up air pressure, so while the air pressure builds, it's alright if I show you the in-cab inspection.